Welcome back to Toddler Time. I'm Toddler, and today I'm going to be joined by...
One sec, help me out. It's a blooper. Keep the damn blooper.
Her name is Chicken Nugget.
No, I'm a nugget. I'm regular.
So today we're going to be watching the Try Not to Say the W Word.
Damn, you didn't lose life. How could you? You betrayed me.
Let's get on with the video.
As we eat snacks too.
Apple.
Cue the music.
This is going to be actually really hard. Whoa.
Did you say something? You said the W word.
I did. And these chips are disgusting. Chocolate chips are disgusting.
I hate very young.
The other word is not so much.
This is hard.
Whoa, look at the background.
The background's pretty cool.
Oddly satisfying video.
That's satisfying. Can't deny it. It's satisfying. Are you gonna say?
Say wow? No.
Ellie.
Oh no way! I think we have like 5 lives, right?
No, let's narrow it down to 3. Just for you.
Is that unicorn time?
That is satisfying. Great shape, though.
I think it's a vase.
I think it's like, that's pretty. I like pretty. I like pretty stuff. You know, I love compilations where like they like do this.
Like this video if you think that Yellow talks too much.
I'm offended. That is satisfying. Ooh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Don't tell me what I think it's gonna do. I think I know what it's gonna do.
Wow!
Ellie.
Wow. This stuff is so cool.
Toddler.
Oh my god. I think I said wow like 7 times.
Well, you just said an name. Here, let's add 10 for her.
W word.
Yeah, she's saying. Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. My apple fell over.
Oh, is this how they make fences?
I think so. Whoa. Wow.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Whoa!
Ellie, did you just say the W word?
Wait, did I?
Okay, let's add 20 hearts. What is that snake doing?
It's getting itself in the classic snake position.
Yeah, most likely. Oh, I think I know what that is. Those
What is
are
it?
always satisfying. It puffs up into a huge ball, okay? And it looks super crisp after. They're super hard to do, though. Don't know how these people do it.
I do.
Why doesn't it look
Is that the same thing that, but are they covering it?
Uh-huh. They're different from the ones I've seen. The street ones.
Are they like actual food
Yeah, it's actual food.
or like a dessert?
It's actual food.
So it could be like lunch or dinner.
Mostly lunch or brunch.
Yeah. Whoa.
You said the W word again.
Oh no.
Let's add 30 lies. It's so, like, perfect. It's beautiful.
I want it. I think that's coffee though, but I still want it.
Yeah, I still want it too. It's so pretty. I'm taking my mint chocolates. They're mine now. I think I might have said the W word on accident. I know the scientific theory behind it, so.
Whoa.
You said it again.
I'm so bad at this.
It's because I know the scientific theory behind those.
What is it?
Can't tell you.
Magnets? Does it have to do anything magnetic?
could literally see the magnet.
Yeah, but guys, comment down below if you know what did that black stuff.
That's it.
How'd that turn clear?
Oh no. Oh.
I know when you leave it alone, it turns black again.
It's dark purple. They've been lying to us!
My life is a lie. They don't do all the hard work like the olden times anymore. Are they sharpening that into a pencil?
A pencil, something that big?
Yeah, like a huge pencil.
Maybe. Take the last chocolate. I was about to say the double word.
Whoa.
You said it again.
So I guess that's it.
I didn't lose a life!
40 in my right car, business train.